Welcome to the Code with Reza channel. My name is Reza and I'm here to teach you Python. Today I want to do something very exciting. We want to install Docker and Kubernetes on Mac together. So for doing that, we need to open the URL, the browser, and go to this URL, www.docker.com/products/Docker desktop. Docker desktop is the software that we need to install to have Docker on our system. Look at here, download Docker desktop Intel chip. This is because of my Mac has Intel chip. You will see what is suitable for your system. So I will download it. It needs some time to be downloaded. Okay, Docker is now downloaded. I double click on that. Look, I will get the Docker from here and drag and drop into application. It copies the Docker to application. Now it's finished and we have Docker. So what we do is we come into here, we search for Docker and we click on Docker. It's verifying Docker. It asks, it says Docker is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, we trust it and we open it. Look at here, this thing shows that Docker is starting, and after Docker is started, you see the Docker desktop, which is this screen. We need to wait for the Docker desktop to start. Look, the Docker desktop is started now, and for testing to see if everything is correct, we need to go here, open the terminal. I will make the terminal a little bit bigger. Okay, and we say Docker run hello world. Look at here, if after Docker run hello world you see hello from Docker, it means that you have installed Docker successfully. Sometimes it doesn't come very quickly. It needs, especially if you run it for the first time, it goes and downloads the image from Docker Hub, which takes some time. But at the end, you should see this hello from Docker. Now you know that everything is fine and everything is installed perfectly. So the next step, which is very exciting, is Kubernetes. For doing the Kubernetes, we come here, we go to settings, we come to Kubernetes, and we click here to enable Kubernetes. If you see, mine is already enabled because I already had Kubernetes on my system. But for you, if you don't have, you need to select this one, and then at the bottom of the screen on the right side there is apply and restart. Then you need to click the apply and restart and wait for a couple of minutes for it to install and start and initialize the Kubernetes. Once everything is done and the Kubernetes is ready, again you need to go to your terminal and check it. You need to say kubectl version. And when you see this, this long message with some versions here means that everything is fine. So exciting that you on your Mac have Docker and Kubernetes, and we want to work with Docker and Kubernetes in the next videos. So if you're finding this video helpful or interesting, it's a good time to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with my latest content. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you later.